Look at this cat. Hairless cat. Get over here. Thailand Rob here. Disclaimer. I am not in Thailand for this vlog. If you want to see me in Thailand, just come back in about 2 weeks and I'll have one ready for you. Now, if you want to see me just bopping around in the United States, then just keep watching. Ready? So we're taunting the English Mastiff with the guinea pig that had to be brought home from school this weekend. Guinea pig. English Mastiff. Hiding. My friend Deanna lives in a house with a Sphynx hairless cat, an English Mastiff dog, and for the weekend, a guinea pig. What could go wrong?
Wow.
Deanna's got the kids all fashionably color coordinated. Look at little Ansley. Look at Cam. We were off to see Santa at Chick-fil-A. Yeah. Huh? Yeah. Oh, Chick-fil-A, Chick-fil-A. 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 Ansley has taught me a new way to eat ice cream. Let's see, how do you do it? Cam has a good way of eating saltine crackers. And a whole lot of ketchup. I mean a whole lot of ketchup. Like a lot of ketchup. And somehow I got stuck at a Barnes & Noble babysitting. As a matter of fact, I was really worried at first when I came back here. I thought coming from Thailand, I'm just gonna freeze over here in the middle of December. But it's like 70, 71 degrees out here. We're in short sleeve shirts. I mean, it's nice, it's just nice. Today is like the 14th, 13th, 14th. Anyway, it's so nice out here. Look, again, short sleeves. But let me lean up here. New Patreons, thank you guys. Duncan, Alex, Joe, thank you guys. Thank you for signing. I appreciate it so much. And again, I just want to touch base because there was a couple of comments. The Patreon money is for me to do filming in Thailand. That's what it is. Whether it comes to a job or not, I do have a job offer. That's brand new, and I'm not even going to talk about that right now. But I wanted to let everybody know. The Patreon money was so that I could stay in Thailand and do some filming. You guys love it when I go to different places. But the trip to come here to America to see my friend who was lonely in the holidays has nothing to do with the Patreon money or the fan funding, because one, I put it on a credit card, so I get to pay like 15 bucks a month to pay it back. But brings me to this point, how I buy airfare, the way I got to Thailand and the way I got a round trip ticket over here. The round trip ticket for me to come over here was less than a laptop in the US. And here's what I do. I want to give you some tips of how I buy airfare. One, I'll fly out of almost anywhere locally. So when you go onto these trip sites and you say, where do you want to fly from? Click, I'll fly from here, but surrounding areas, and then get a friend or family to drop you off at whatever airport it is. Second, fly when nobody else wants to. When I go back to Thailand, I chose a ticket that goes back on Christmas Eve. Nobody wants to fly out of America on Christmas Eve, so I got it for absolutely almost nothing. So, Thailand Rob's tip on how to get cheap airfare is go where usually people don't want to go, or go when they don't want to go. You know what I'm saying? Thank you everybody who has supported me. I also want to say that my being here is job done. Deanna and her 2 children have been very, very happy. We've been hanging out. The kids enjoy having someone around, and mom enjoys having someone to help take over some of the responsibilities. So that's why I'm trying to put out a little smaller vlog, so I can keep you up to date without having it take up, you know, so much time, like 2 or 3 days of, you know, 6 hours of editing. So I'm just going to try to put some stuff out there real quick. Keep up, and I'll talk to you guys maybe tomorrow, hopefully. Okay? All right, bye.